everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So this is something that I love filming, and that is Nykaa sale recommendations. The Hot Pink sale is live and I'm going to suggest some of my favorite products to you guys. These are stuff that I've been constantly using, and the description box of this video is going to be your best friend today, so make sure you check that. And I'm not going to make this intro any longer. Let's get started with today's video. The first product that I want you guys to try is this one by a brand called Sadhv. Now this is, I think, a luxurious skincare brand, and this rose water, you guys, I mean, I love rose waters. If you are an old subscriber, you would know that I have a fascination with rose waters, and I always try to find ones that are gentle. So I have tried probably a lot of them out there, and this one is so good. I just checked on Nykaa like just before filming this video that this one originally I think is for 800 something like that, but during the sale I think they have marked it down to 400. So, and the size is incredible. It'll last you for a long time and is one of the best rose waters that I've ever used. And I don't know if you can see, but mine is almost over. Just a little bit of it is left. So I need to make use of this sale too. So definitely try out this rose water. It's just amazing. The next thing that I'm going to suggest is a body mist by Bath and Body Works. I think Bath and Body Works is also going to have some offers. Now, I'm someone who loves fragrances. Again, if you have been following some of my videos for a while now, you would know this. And I have been completely obsessed with this one. This is Japanese cherry blossom. And I generally love, cherry blossom scents. They smell really light, but also, really incredible. So you can see again, this one is almost over. I have been using this non-stop, and this just smells amazing, like absolutely amazing. It's a light fragrance, it's floral, and it just smells absolutely good. I don't know how to exactly describe this, but it's gonna make you feel so nice and so relaxed, and it's a perfect daytime wear. You can also wear it when you're at home. I just spritz it after I take a shower, and it just instantly calms me down. It's a beautiful scent. So if you're looking for a nice body mist, this is the time you should be making use of the sale, and just get this. Just look at it, it's almost over. I'm kind of sad. I'm actually showing you some of my lockdown empties, I guess. Yeah, like I've been using all of these like constantly. And since we have already touched on the brand Bath and Body Works, I'm going to suggest a shower gel. This is in the variant Sweet Pea. Now this just smells so good. It's sweet but floral, and it's not too overpowering. It's the perfect shower gel to just start your day with, or to relax at the end of the day. And these shower gels, they last you for a very, very, very long time. Like my Christmas ones are still not over. And if you're an ARMY and you're watching this video, then I want to tell you that Jungkook from BTS actually uses this, or he has used this. There are clips and everything where he has been, like there you can see this on his desk. So yeah, like who doesn't want to smell like Jungkook, right? So this one smells incredible, and in some of the interviews, Jungkook and BTS members have said that he's very sensitive to smell. If you're someone like that, who cannot tolerate overpowering scents, and you want something gentle yet nice, then this one is your shower gel. Now let's talk about two cleansers that I love. The first one is, this is actually something again my old subscribers will know, and that is the Simple face wash. I think they have a really nice combo offer on Simple, and I think it's around for 400 rupees, and the cleanser, this cleanser in general is for 300ish. So I'm going to link that offer, check that out. This is one of the best cleansers. I have gone through tubes of this. No matter what your skin type is, you're going to enjoy this. It's not going to irritate your skin, it's going to clean your skin really well, and it's just a very nice face wash, and it's affordable. So if you're looking for one, definitely try this. It's very gentle, a blessing for sensitive skin. Something that I recently actually tried because of a collaboration with this brand. I absolutely love Tony Moly. Even before the collaboration, I actually love Korean skincare. I love Korean culture. I love everything about them. But other than that, this face wash, this cleanser, this is called the Clean Dew. This is in the variant Lemon. If you're someone who wears makeup or goes out on a daily basis, this is your cleanser. This is your cleanser. It's a foaming cleanser, so it foams up really well, and whatever dirt is left on your face, it's all gonna just come off. So I really love this. One tip, don't let it get to your eyes. Yeah, just don't, because I have done that and it burns. But other than that, it's a great cleanser. There's, I think, another combo by Tony Moly that I was checking out a couple of hours back, and I was like, okay, that's a good combo, so I'm going to link that too. Now, I'm actually someone who lives for skincare. I have learned it the hard way how important it is to take care of your skin. If your skin is good, your makeup is going to look good. So this is something that I want you guys again to try. This is a makeup removing balm, a cleansing balm. This is by Plum. This is my second container, by the way. You don't need cotton pads or anything. Just scoop out a little bit of product and massage your face with it, and all of your makeup is going to come off. So this is the first step to your double cleansing routine, and I absolutely love this. Plum has done a great job, you know, in making something like this. So this is the next thing that I want you guys to at least give a try. This is one of the best aloe vera gels that I've ever used. This is by, again, Tony Moly. This again I have, you know, got introduced to because of my collaboration with them, but I've been obsessed with it. I have forever been loyal to the Face Shop one, and this is something that I think this is my new obsession when it comes to skincare and aloe gel. So this is called the Choc Choc 99% aloe gel, and it comes in a tube, so it's very convenient. If you have sensitive skin, or you know, if you're shaving your skin, if your skin gets irritated easily, you can also use it on your body, by the way. This aloe gel is great. Okay, this aloe gel is great, and I think this is also on discount. I was actually going through the offers because your girl also loves to shop, and I think you guys should try it, especially, you know, with the monsoon and humidity and, you know, the constant change in weather and everything. Skin irritation is a very common problem, and something that always calms your skin down is aloe. So this is a very good aloe vera gel and affordable one too. I'm going to talk about two lip care products. So this is the e.l.f. lip exfoliator, and this smells incredible. This is in the variant brown sugar. I know this is a very popular product and I'm late to the, you know, whole party, but at least I'm here. So it comes in a form of a lipstick, so it comes in a bullet, which is so convenient. Because I'm someone, I buy a lot of lip scrubs, okay, but I never end up going through them because it's a task for me to dig in and, you know, use it. This does not really cause a lot of mess, and it really works. I have been using this so much more than, you know, all of my lip exfoliators because of how, you know, it has been packed. And this works incredibly when it comes to just removing the dead skin cells and giving you nice, smooth, soft lips. And since I spoke about a lip exfoliator, I must suggest a lip balm. Now again, if you follow me, you probably know that I have an obsession with Laneige, and this is Laneige's, I think, a new lip balm. I think this was launched very recently, couple of months back in India, and I picked up the grapefruit variant. I can't speak today, I'm very tired, I guess. But this lip balm is so good. I don't know if you have used the lip sleeping mask, the one that comes in a jar. That is incredible, and that just moisturizes your lips so well. But if you want something lighter, then this is the balm for you. I use this constantly, and if you have chapped lips and your lips are always dry, then this is your best friend. And since we are still in the middle of, you know what, we are still wearing our mask and everything, and I hope we will be able to take it off soon and we'll be living a good and, you know, easier life. But again, this is something that I discovered this year. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Setting Spray. If you set your makeup with this, I'm not kidding you guys, your makeup is not going to transfer. Yes, I'm not kidding you guys. I have seen this so many times on Nykaa, but I never really got it because I have my favorite setting sprays and everything, but this one does a very good job. You know, it's a tough setting spray that's gonna set all of your makeup in place. So I'm going to suggest some of my, you know, favorite lipsticks, formulas, colors. So this is the first one. This is by Faces. This is in the shade Filter Freak. I think this is a very popular shade because this is always, like, you know, going out of stock. This formula is very comfortable. I love what Faces has done with this. The color is very pretty. I'm going to just swatch a little bit over here. It's a very nice, you know, peachy, pinky color, my kind of shade. So try this. It's going to flatter a lot of skin tones. And this lipstick usually stays in my bag that I carry outside, so I love it. that much. This is another lip color that I have been loving this year. I have been wearing it so much. This is not just a lip color, by the way, it's like a tint, so you can use it on your cheeks, lips, as an eyeshadow too. Now this is by Etude House, and this is on sale too, you guys, and it's on a crazy discount. I've just checked. And this is the Etude House Powder Rouge tint. This is in the shade Nude Red. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. It comes like this, and it's so pigmented and it stays on for so long. This is how it looks like. It's very pigmented, so be very careful when you're applying it on your cheeks. And this is just an incredible formula, very comfortable, very long lasting. This is my latest obsession, I would say, when it comes to lip color. This is by MAC, and this is the Powder Kiss range. I love the packaging of this range. This is in the shade Stay Curious. This is a very pretty, like peachish, brownish color. By now, I think you probably know that I have a thing for, peachy, pinky browns. Like, that's my color. And this formula is very comfortable on the lips. It's not one of the most long wearing lipsticks, I would say, but it's very comfortable on the lips. And I have been really gravitating towards, like lip colors, or rather formulas like that. I'm going to show you how it looks like. It's a very pretty shade, you guys. It looks so beautiful and it flatters so many different skin tones. One more thing that I want to give a quick shout out to is this one. This is not a collaboration with Sugar or anything. I've never really collaborated with them, but this is the shade I just tried today, and have tried it I think twice before. When I got it with one of my purchases, and this is from the Sugar Wonder Woman range. This is the shade 08 Walled Ruler. It's a beautiful creamy, super pigmented red lipstick. This formula is really beautiful. I'm wearing it right now, and I'm just going to swatch it on my hand too. It's a very nice, like dark red lipstick. Very comfortable on the lips. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick shout out. If you want to check this out, definitely do that. Now when it comes to loose powder, I always suggest one particular product, and that's the Maybelline loose powder. But this is something that I recently tried, as in this shade. I have already tried the variant Translucent. I have a full video on K-Beauty, by the way, so do watch that. I'm going to link it in the description box. But this one is in the variant Banana, and this is by Katrina. One of the best loose powders, again available in India, very close to the Maybelline one, sets your face really well and gives a very nice airbrush look. So if you're looking for something like that, you're gonna love it. But most importantly, it sets your makeup very well and looks very, like, it doesn't look like you're wearing powder, or it doesn't give you that powdery look. And if you're willing to splurge a little more, because that's what we do during sales, try to get this airbrush flawless finish compact. My shade is 2 medium. This one you just require a little bit. It's gonna set your face so well, and as the name says, it's gonna give you a nice airbrush flawless finish. So, and the packaging, man, I really love Charlotte Tilbury. I mean, that brand's aesthetic is my aesthetic. Charlotte Tilbury, hands down, love them. So if you want to splurge a little, or if you have been thinking of trying something from Charlotte Tilbury, do try this compact powder. It's absolutely worth the hype. The packaging is stunning, and you can see how much I've used this. I love this one. This is an incredible powder. Another thing that I want to suggest from K-Beauty is the blushes. I think K-Beauty is also running some great offers, and I in general love K-Beauty, K by Katrina. Their products are so good. It doesn't feel like you're wearing makeup. It doesn't look like you're wearing a lot of stuff on your face. They just work well with your skin. If you're someone who's looking for a blush for daily use, if you're want to stay on the minimal side, this is your shade. This is called Soft Nude. I have used this blush so much, you guys. This is the shade. It's gorgeous, okay? And these blushes are super pigmented, and they last for a very, very long amount of time on your cheeks, as well as on the pan, because you don't require a lot of product. So this is Soft Nude. The other one that I have is something, if you are willing to go a little pink, if you're willing to look a little more fresh. So this is the shade. This is also one of my favorite pink blushes. I wear mostly my K-Beauty blushes. I don't even wear anything else. So this is in the shade Tickled Pink. It's one of my favorite blushes. Just makes you look so fresh and youthful and nice. I really love this blush too, so you can try these. I also want to suggest a primer because I definitely focus a lot on skin when it comes to makeup. So this is the primer that you guys can try. This is again a very hyped product. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and you can see I have used a lot of it. This gives you a very nice base. Just apply it, let it sit for say 5 to 10 minutes, then go on with your foundation. This holds your makeup in place so well, and your makeup looks really nice, your base looks really nice. So if you have been thinking of trying this primer, or a new primer in general, then this one is a great option. And I'm just going to suggest one highlighter that I love, that is by Becca. It's Champagne Pop, and they are shutting down in September. I'm not okay with it. Champagne Pop is worth the hype. It's one of the best highlighters out there. I don't think anything can beat Champagne Pop, okay? And I think Becca has this amazing combo too on Nykaa, so I'm gonna link that. But if you want to try a good highlighter that's not gonna look like chunk of glitter on your skin, then Becca is your answer. Please try this before it goes away forever. For foundation, I'm just going to suggest this one. This is the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. My shade is 140p. One of the best foundations, and the only one that I've been wearing a lot this year. You can use it on a daily basis. This does not really give you a lot of like heavy coverage and the whole foundation look. I love this, and I love how it looks, how it feels. You can see I'm almost like running out of it. I have been wearing it that much. For concealers, I actually have two options for you guys. Again, two concealers that I've been wearing a lot. The first one is by Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty concealer. My shade is Graham Cracker. 16G Graham Cracker. This is my shade. This is a full coverage concealer, and this is a little lighter than my usual skin tone, so I usually like to use it as a brightening concealer when I'm doing full face of glam makeup. This stays on forever. This is one of the best concealers when it comes to covering your dark circles or any scars. So I usually like it for heavy makeup days. And something that I have been using every single day is this one. I don't even wear foundation when I wear this concealer. This is by Milani. My shade is 145 Warm Beige. This is exactly my shade. This just looks incredible, stays on forever, and does not feel like you're wearing makeup, and conceals almost everything. Conceals dark circles, acne scars, everything. I love this. I have been wearing this just on its own, and then I set it with a little bit of powder. This is how it looks like. I think you should try this. This is one of my new buys, latest finds. I would say I got it a couple of months back, and I absolutely love this. I'm just going to suggest this one incredible hair care product for today, and that is this Argan Oil Moroccan serum by OGX. If you have colored hair, frizzy hair, this is your jam. If you have dry hair, this is it. Apply very little of this because this is going to weigh your hair down if you apply a lot. But this serum is like a miracle in a bottle. I was actually planning to get the Moroccan oil one, but I did not want to splurge, so I got this one instead, and I don't regret the decision. This works so well. It makes your hair soft, tames all of the frizz, and try this if you have colored hair, bleached hair, frizzy hair. This is your jam. Finding a good eyelash curler can be a task, so this is something that you can pick up during the sale. This is the e.l.f. eyelash curler. This curls your lashes really well, and it's affordable. It's on the affordable side, so if you're looking for a good eyelash curler, try this one. It's not going to pull out your lashes or anything, and I have been loving this eyelash color. This is again something I discovered this year, and I like it. And since we have already entered the eye makeup category, I'm going to suggest my favorite mascaras to you guys, because I really love mascaras, and I try to keep it to Indian brands this time. So first I'm going to talk about my favorite kajal just quickly. This is the K Beauty kajal in the shade Spade. This is almost over, by the way. I have been loving this kajal. It's a retractable black kajal. It stays on forever. Super comfortable. If you have sensitive eyes, you're going to love this kajal. Yeah, so just a quick shout out to this one. If you're going to get a new kajal, try this one by K Beauty. But coming back to my mascaras, I'm a huge mascara person, and the thing is that I have long lashes, but they are straight. So I look out for stuff that can curl it up a bit. This is the Nykaa Curl Power Mascara. I love this. Okay, this one curls up my lashes so well and makes it look so beautiful, and it's so black. If you guys haven't tried Nykaa's mascaras, please try this one. You can thank me later. That's all I'll say. This one is incredible, like incredible. If you want that, whole curling thing, this is your mascara. But if you want volume, they also have a volume mascara. I'll link all of it in the description box. The other mascara is this one by K Beauty, K by Katrina. You guys probably are thinking that this video is sponsored by K Beauty, but I've already said this a lot of times that I love K Beauty as a brand. So this mascara, they have only one mascara. This mascara is really good, especially for days when you don't want to do a lot with your eye makeup. Just mascara, lipstick, good to go. This mascara is so good, so comfortable to wear, and just really, like wakes you up, gives you the right amount of volume and gives you that perfect lengthening effect. This looks incredible, very comfortable as well. So again, if you have sensitive eyes, you can try this mascara. This is the wand, and this mascara is very volumizing. Eye makeup is not complete without eyeshadows, right? So I'm going to suggest two palettes that I have been using a lot. I'm going to suggest eyeshadows that you can wear on a daily basis as well as for occasions, and it's nothing too crazy. It's something that you can make a lot of use of. So the first eyeshadow palette is by Huda Beauty. This is the nude medium palette. They have two more, I think, nude light and nude dark. I got the medium one, and just look at the shades. Like this is all you need, guys. This is all you need for daily wear, for parties. This is all you need. I've been wearing this constantly. I wear it for my shoots, videos, when I go outside. I just put this on. The color story of this palette is just gorgeous. Love the formula of these eyeshadows, the pressed ones, the matte ones. These are soft and blendable. If you want to pick up that one good eyeshadow palette, then pick this up. The other palette that I'm going to suggest is by K Beauty. If you're looking for something that's a little less pricey than Huda Beauty, then this is the palette that you should be trying. I have two variants with me, and you can just pick any you want. First one is Bare Soul, and it has a lot of earthy tones. Black in this one is super pigmented, by the way. So if you're someone who's more into earthy tones, then this is your palette, Bare Soul by K Beauty. If you're someone like me who's more into warm tones, warm pinks, peaches, then this is your palette. This is called Pure Bloom, and this is gorgeous. And lastly, I have two brow products for you guys. Both are from drugstore, so it's affordable. The first one is this Maybelline brow pencil. It comes with a spoolie. The write-up and everything on it is kind of gone, but this is so good, and love this shade actually. I just lost the cap for this side, but this is how it looks like, and it's a very nice affordable drugstore brow pencil that's gonna give you really nice results. It's not gonna look unnatural, and I have been loving this brow pencil. And I always use a brow gel. Even on days when I'm not doing pencil, I at least use a gel. This is the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. This is in the shade Brunette. This is very pigmented, and I love the wand on this one. It's very thin, and it sets your brows very well. Very, very well. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment. Let me know in the comments what you guys are loving right now. I love reading your comments, and please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.